Apologies, I haven't been making any videos recently. I've been busy moving houses, but I'm going to keep the videos rolling moving forward. Today I'm going to review the Sonos One SLs. And here is Marley this morning. He's just been for a walk to the local reserve, so he's in a happy mood. Say hello. I was lucky because I got the Sonos Ones on sale. They were $219 each from jbhifi, which was $438 for the pair, which I think is pretty good. Each speaker has two Class D digital amplifiers to power one tweeter and one mid-woofer to give you nice bass and clear, crisp highs as well. You may already be aware, but the Sonos Ones and Sonos One SLs don't have Bluetooth. They are wireless across your network. So I ended up getting the Sonos One SLs as opposed to the Sonos Ones. The main difference is that they don't have a built-in microphone for Google Assistant or Alexa. However, that is what the Sonos Arc does anyway, so I don't really need microphones on the Sonos Ones themselves. So the Sonos Ones come in black or white. I ended up getting black because my Sonos Arc is black and I want to get a full matching set. However, they would look quite good in white against the white wall. That way they're a bit more discreet. We chose not to wall mount them because we wanted to keep them discreet, so they're just sitting in behind the couch cushions. They're actually wall powered, so if you're looking for something portable, you should probably look at the Sonos Move or the Sonos Roam. These are not for portable usage, so they need a mains power, so I've just got a multi-board here running along to each. They also feature Apple AirPlay. They can be paired in stereo, so you have a left and a right, and they have adjustable bass and treble. I'll show you how my configuration is. So taking a look at the settings here, you can see that I've got the under products in my lounge. I've got an Arc, a 1SL left and a 1SL right. I've still got the option to connect a sub because I haven't got round to buying that yet. So for the surround audio settings, I've set surrounds on. This gives me a full music setup. When I turn the music level up, it sounds really good. I've left the TV level right down because I don't want the rear speakers blasting too loud. Otherwise, it's a bit overpowering and you can't hear speech during movies. Standard equalizer settings here, I've just got the bass to +8 and the treble for +6, but you can configure this however you like, and I've got loudness enabled. Sonos also added a height audio or a height level in their recent update. I believe this is for Atmos enabled speakers like your Sonos Arc, which can actually fire upwards, so if you put the height you get sort of more of a 3D surround audio. So this is not applicable for the Sonos Ones, I believe. I also should mention that there is a play pause button on the unit, as well as a volume down and a volume up. All right, let's get to the demo. So that covers everything. I'm really happy with these speakers. Given the price that I paid for them, they are definitely worth adding to your setup. They add sounds that you weren't able to hear before when you're watching movies, especially with surround sound. It's really good. Music wise, very, very good sound quality, and especially when you put it into full surround mode, you seem to get a bit more out of your ARC as well. Thanks for watching. Feel free to add any comments or questions below. I'll try not to wait so long before uploading my next video, and I hope you enjoyed this one. Goodbye for now, until the next video.